We'd like to welcome Dr. Professor Ashok R. Patil.
At the outset, my sincere thanks to the organizers for inviting me to share my views on this particular topic. Just I will, first of all, I support open-heartedly Dr. Arun Gadre and whatever outcome results of Sudha's research, whatever they have done, 100% perfectly correct. It's my personal experience. I have involved in a lot of cases, especially helping the victims. So it is my personal opinion. Yes, it is happening and it's the truth. And even Supreme Court, in many cases, it is clearly said they are very serious in case of medical negligence. Recently, in one of the judgment which gone from Calcutta, the Supreme Court has ordered 10 crores highest compensation for that particular case. And that particular justice is from Karnataka, Justice Gopal Gowda. I met him personally in his home and he discussed a lot about these types of things. So it is the very serious thing now. And also the other aspects that doctors, just like a salesman, for doctors also target is there. So within month, these many operations. If anybody comes with Mediclaim, don't leave them. That is a warning. Don't leave them if anybody comes with a Mediclaim. Because anyway, the whatever huge amount comes, I mean, they are charging, it comes from the health insurance company. And these patients are also not bothered because they are not paying from their pocket. But they don't know that next year their premium will be increasing because of this particular operation, which is not needed. Even then they are doing operation. So even this one we have discussed with the IRDA also, Insurance Regulatory Development Authority. There is a consumer committee there. So lot of, too many experts were there and we discussed on this particular issue. Hospitals and even TPA, third party administrator, also mingled with these hospitals and they are doing all these type of things. And the other the unfair trade, what they are doing in hospitals. Yes, under the Consumer Protection Act, there is a specific section, Section 21R, defines what is unfair trade practice. Under that, all these things can be covered, but the patients are not having evidence. But usually what happens, if you approach court wants evidence. And hospitals will see that you will not get all the original the evidence to the patient. All evidence are in their custody and at the end they will give you the discharge certificate. So that's why, because of the evidence failure, the majority of the victims not getting justice. That's another thing. And yes, the ethical committees, I'm a member of NIMANS ethical committee. Yes, NIMANS is taking care of all those clinical trial or any research very seriously. I'm proud of this particular NIMANS. They are very serious. I'm witnessing a lot of the clinical trials were rejected in the ethical committee because to safeguard or to protect the innocent children and innocent people. So the same way all other hospitals or the institutions should take care of like NIMANS. And all these activities, one of the episode done by Amir Khan, Satyameva Jayate, full 1 hour episode is on all these types of activities which are done by these doctors. Even Medical Council of India chairman was there. One question was asked by Amir Khan, till today how many doctors license you cancelled? Answer is no. And whoever is heading that, the Indian Medical Council earlier, the former the chairman, so caught in other illegal activities. So this is who has to protect the people, who has to protect the profession. They themselves involved in those types of activities. Then it is very difficult to protect the victims or protect the profession. Whatever name is there, good profession, noble profession, because of some people, the bad name is coming for the whole profession. And also, at the end, yes, I'm happy that I'm here. National Law School is drafting legislation, drafting legislation for this Ministry of Health and Family Welfare on health law itself. Recently we got that work. If I will connect you to that particular team, so that they are balancing the medical profession as well as the patient's rights. They are balancing both the things. So if you involve in that, then they will get first-hand information how the patients are suffering in the every way throughout India. So if your inputs given to them, then they are more efficient to draft more effective legislation, and it is for the central government, because health is a health is in concurrent list. So each state is doing their own health law. That's why the central government wants a model health law, so that all states can follow that particular model. So in that way, so I'm happy that I'm involved in this type of very valuable and important discussion. And in future, from on behalf of the National Law School, we are giving full support for you, as well as we expect your support to our particular team which is drafting on health law. With this, I conclude. Thank you.